You are welcome to today's class.
Today we are looking at the art of introducing.
In the year 2023, I received a call from a professor of which I would like to keep him anonymous, praising for my introduction alone regards to my book The Worth of a Woman. He said, "Gentlemen, I don't know you, but I believe in you. Only your introduction has made me finish reading your book in a day. The truth of the matter is that the introduction is often the most important part of any book. It sets the tone, establishes expectations, and, most crucially, hooks readers. As an aspiring author, mastering this art is key to capturing and keeping the attention of your audience. Here are some essential strategies to craft an irresistible introduction. 1. Start with a compelling hook. The first sentence or paragraph should grab the reader's attention immediately. It can be a strange question to your audience. It can be emotional as well, etc. Think of it as a baited hook, something irresistible that makes the reader want to know more. Whether it's a shocking fact, a thought-provoking question, or a vivid description, the goal is to intrigue and spark curiosity. The professor said I made a statement in my introduction section saying that Jesus' ministry wouldn't have surfaced, neither will he have been able to accomplish and executed his assignment here on earth without the immense support of some various women who were part of his ministry. He continued to say that upon seeing this became curious, wanting to know more about that aspect of Jesus' ministry, and so he had to read all the pages of my book. 2. Establish a unique voice. I get puzzled anytime I see young author copied someone's book's introduction vividly. For what? You don't need to be somebody else before you can make your introduction fascinated. Be yourself. Your introduction is also the space where your authorial voice comes to life. Readers often connect with the tone and personality behind the words, just as much as the content itself. Whether your voice is conversational, authoritative, humorous, or poetic, make sure it stands out right from the start. A unique voice makes the reader feel like they are in good hands and encourages them to trust the journey you are about to take them on. I have received several feedbacks from individuals I have never met before in my life, addressing the fact that whenever they pick my book to read, they could actually feel like I am sitting with them and audibly telling them what is in the book. That is God's grace, by the way. 3. Set up the premise or theme. The introduction should give readers a glimpse of the book's central theme or premise. While you don't want to reveal everything right away, offering a teaser or hint about what's to come helps create anticipation. For fiction, this could involve introducing a conflict or hinting at a mystery. In nonfiction, it might be laying out the main argument or goal of the book. Make sure the chapter's title of your book appears in your introduction and summarize the first paragraph of those chapters. 4. Create emotional engagement. A great introduction doesn't just capture attention, it also engages emotions. Whether it's evoking empathy, suspense, humor, or nostalgia, emotional connection draws readers in on a deeper level. People often continue reading because they feel something, whether it's excitement, fear, or curiosity. Use storytelling elements to create scenes, characters, or moments that resonate emotionally with your audience, regardless of the book you are writing. 5. Promise value. I always say that until value becomes the hallmark of a writer, his or her book may go far but not further. Readers need to know why they should invest their time in your book. What will they gain from it? Whether it's the thrill of an adventure, new knowledge, or personal transformation, you need to subtly promise something valuable in your introduction. This doesn't mean overselling, but you should give readers a sense that what follows is worth their time and attention. 6. Foreshadow key themes or conflicts. I am very passionate about this aspect. To my fiction writers, authors, foreshadowing is a powerful technique that can be at hand to utilize. By subtly hinting at major themes, conflicts, or twists, you can pique the reader's interest instantaneously. It creates a sense of anticipation that will make readers eager to see how events unfold. Some will even flip the pages to look for those themes without reading it page by page. For example, a brief mention of an ominous event or a character's hidden past can lay the groundwork for the rest of the story, if it must be directed that way. 7. Keep it concise. I was taught at the university that keeping your communication concise is the maturity level one can attain to keep good and effective relationship. While it's tempting to pack a lot into your introduction, remember that less is often more. An introduction should be engaging but not overwhelming. It can even be half of a page or one page is enough. It should set the stage without giving too much away. Avoid info dumps or overly long passages of background information. Instead, give readers just enough to spark their interest, and let the rest unfold naturally. 8. End with a cliffhanger. One powerful way to ensure readers keep going is by ending your introduction on a cliffhanger. This can be especially effective in fiction, where you leave the reader with an unanswered question or in the middle of an intriguing situation. In nonfiction, it could be a provocative statement or a question that promises deeper exploration in the chapters to come. In conclusion, mastering the art of introduction is about blending creativity with strategy. Whether you are writing fiction or nonfiction, a well-crafted introduction will hook readers from the start and set the tone for a captivating reading experience. Always remember that your introduction is a handshake with your reader. Make it firm, memorable, and promising.